Lights, camera, action, action. Take two. And this comes with a twist. Twist, not a shout. Not yet. So, YouTube just sent me something crazy. You have to see this. I think I do too because I don't know what it is. I know something was coming in the mail. Uh, Also, YouTube gave me this shirt. Uh, YouTube Community Partner. So I wound up with the gray one. I guess this is for the older guys, over 40, and all the young YouTubers. They wound up with a red shirt, I'm assuming. I don't know. Can you tell me, YouTube? Let me know down in the comments if you can contact me, Mr. Noble TV. Okay, take four. All right, was that take five? So you know me, or you guys know me. I've been here testing almost every iOS beta over the years, finding bugs before Apple knows they exist. Take six. And then now, here comes T-Mobile. All right, let me do that again. Fumbling these boxes. Take seven. One day, it's the fastest speeds in my town, or maybe in your town. I have no clue. The next day, I'm talking about a new router. Oh, it's taking me. Like it's my new iPhone 16 Pro. And then, of course, the Amazon tech finds that I actually don't even use, that I bought. Like this little flimsy tripod with the brand new thing that's still on it. Let me see what else I got. The MagSafe charger. It doesn't have a stand on it. I tried it a few times. No luck there. Let me see what else I got. This MagSafe ring where the strap actually fell off. I use it every red or blue or pink moon to hold this up. I hold up my iPhone. Then, of course, the new Amazon find that I actually just did a video on yesterday. I'm actually using this one right now, not really using this one yet for my watch. But I have used it for the actual LED light more than the actual MagSafe, which it is what it is. So those are actually amazing and game changing, even though I use them. They're there whenever I need them, which is some is often more than others. So why would I buy those? Because I love tech. I love buying tech, playing with tech. Even though we don't all as YouTubers don't actually um, take eight. I just wish I had a clapper that I can do this for action or different takes. I'm actually filming this one raw. I'm actually not gonna cut anything out. I'm gonna give you with all the bloopers and all the looking at the screen and reading what's on the screen. So I'm giving it to you exactly raw. I actually wrote the script, but I'm still kind of fumbling with the script because I'm not. I like to mostly I like to do freestyle, but every once in a while, you know us, we have to do a script. Some of us don't have the script right in front of us, so we look to the side on our televisions and stuff like that. So, like I said, all those all of these extra things like these, just sit in that studio and collect dust until I wipe them off and use them again. That's the way it rolls. Behind the scenes, retakes, a lot of late night edits, and way too much coughing. Way too much coughing. Just to keep the videos rolling. This is what it takes being a YouTuber. All right, I think I had enough of cold coffee. Yeah, cold coffee. So all of those moments just led up. Wait, take what it was, 9, 9, action. Although all that work led up to this moment. Lord, I can't. Sometimes, working late at night. I know it's what time is it? It's only 8 o'clock. I mean, it's not late at night, but it's still night. So take 10. All wait. All that work led up to this moment right here. All that work led up to this moment right here. Right here. So, boom, the official YouTube partner clapperboard, limited edition. Straight from YouTube HQ. And so on the back of it, it says partner perks on the front. On the back, it says lights, camera, action. Oh, I need to remove that. Let's do this again. Limited edition. And on the back, it says lights, camera, action. You scored a limited edition YouTube clapperboard made just for a valued partner like me, like you, if you're a YouTube creator. Um, this is a one-of-a-kind item. It's a special thank you for all of your hard work and creativity on YouTube. We love to see your new clapper in your next video, which is this video. Show us the magic, the bloopers, and everything in between. Don't forget to tag at YouTube creators and YouTube partner perks so we can check it out. Thank you, YouTube. I appreciate it. So here is, put that to the side. Here is the YouTube clapper. Let's pull it out. Always tussle. Then we also got a little YouTube pin, which I'm going to treasure this forever, YouTube. I feel so honored to be getting a YouTube marker, especially a black one. YouTube must know I love black and white. So all of these colors I love. So the YouTube clapper board at Mr. Noble TV. YouTube clapper is the video. Take 3, which is a lie. I've been on take 12, I think, or 14 or 15, something like that. I lost count. And this was supposed to be Friday the 22nd, which is today is Saturday the 23rd. So I didn't actually get to do the video until today. I wound up getting busy. So just a little bit of dramatics. But so it's like YouTube is saying, thank you. It's like YouTube is saying to me, what, let me take 19 or 20, I think one of those like that. Um, so it's like YouTube is saying to me, congratulations, Mr. Noble at Mr. Noble TV. You survived all the iOS bugs. You survived all the, all right, take 22. So you survived all the iOS beta bugs. Take 24. The T-Mobile surprises and the endless late night uploads or uploads, yeah. The ones that take between 20 minutes and a whole day. YouTube, I upload. But I've tried the 1080, I've tried 4K, I've tried all different resolutions, and I still get the same results. I don't know if it's the YouTube server, or is it the Apple server, or is it my iPhone, or is it my Android phone, or is it something to do with T-Mobile's service? But it uploads when it wants to upload. Like this morning, the video from yesterday, finally uploaded at 4:30 this morning, and I started uploading it yesterday. I started uploading it yesterday at about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, when I got done with editing. So, oh, it's the final take 26. Big thanks to YouTube, and even a bigger thanks to you watching and being part of Mr. Noble TV from first day of you watching Mr. Noble TV to now. I really appreciate everyone who supports Mr. Noble TV very much. I couldn't do it without you. Thanks for being part of my YouTube experience and my YouTube journey. Thank you for all you supporters. So, lights, camera, action, Mr. Noble out. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to hit that like, smash that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yeah, that's right. Let me do that again. I'm just a little combobulated. I'm not used to doing actual videos like this with bloopers and retakes. Thanks to the YouTube clapper that made all of this possible, if you understand what I mean. So thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that like, smash that subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, YouTube, again. What else I got? Oh, peace. And it's time for me to go. See y'all later. Peace. I'm out of here. Last take. You have to go home too. My living room is this way, and I'm combobulated because I'm on the wrong side of the studio, the wrong side of the room, next to this giant wall. I know you don't want to see all that. Peace.